Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss what are Quick View Form and how to create Quick View Form in Dynamic 365 CE. So I have already explained form and its type in the past video. So in this video, we will focus on what is Quick View Form and how to create Quick View Form in Dynamic 365 CE. So types of form, there are four types of form: main form, Quick View Form, Quick Create Form and Card Form. So quick view form, a quick view form can be added another form as a quick view control. It provides a template to view information about a related entity record within a form for another entity record. We can also add and remove subcomponent in the quick view form, and it is associated to the lookup field, and we cannot edit the value of field which displayed in the quick view form. A quick view form will not be visible if associated lookup field does not have any value. Now go back to the system. Now I am going to configure a quick view form of account entity in a contact entity, because in a contact entity there is the lookup of an account name. Then go to the make.power apps. Then click on solutions. After that, select the solution in which you are working on. So I am working on the testing role. So on the left hand side, as you see the tables, click on that. Then you will see the account entity. Then click on that. Then click on the forms. Now you will see plus new form drop down. Click on that. So here I am adding quick view form. So click on that. Now you will notice if I am clicking on the component menu. So now you will see I cannot add additional tabs or columns or anything. Now if you click on the grid, so here you can add a subgrid also. Now going back to the form field. So let's just bring our table column on the account. That is account name, address one city. So now I am adding only two fields. So then click on the save and publish button. So here I have created a quick view form of an account entity. Now put that back on our main form of contact form. So go to the contact form. So here as you see the tables, then click on that, then click on the contact, and then click on the forms. Then select the contact main form here. So here you need to have the lookup on this form to the data table that you want to display. So this is account name and we have a lookup here to this account. Now I am going to my components menu. Click on that. Then click on quick view. So here select the lookup that's all already on this form. So select the company name here, and after that, now here I am looking the account quick view form that I have created, and that display name is account quick view form. Then click on drop down button and select the account quick view form. Then click on done button. Now inside this section I have a quick view form of an account. Then click on save and publish button. Now go back to the contact entity and create new contact record. Now I am creating a new contact. Then click on plus new button. Here giving the name Karthik Kumar. So in this account name of lookup, I am selecting any record of account. I am selecting Elfie Skyhouse. So now as you see the quick view form of an account, so it is look like that. Then click on save button. So in this video, we will learn what are quick view form and how to create quick view form. Thanks for watching.